Yesterday, a man traveling from Nagpur International Airport to Nagpur railway station was killed by an auto driver, which has raised the question of safety of a commuter coming from outside. Let's find out the safest route from the airport to the railway station. We have almost 5 routes to reach there. Many commuters reach out to Chhatrapati Chowk as a pit stop for various reasons. Firstly, taking a direct cab will be costly. Secondly, they might have a mindset that they are in the center of the city, which will give them more options to reach out to their destination. First route is from Chhatrapati Chowk to Nagpur railway station via Humpyard Road. You go straight from Chhatrapati Square to Ajni Square. Now take a right towards FCI Go Down Road. As you travel 200 meters, you see Central Jail Wall on the left side and a lower middle class area at the right side, which can make you little nervous. Then you take a left straight towards Ajni railway station, passing by a chalk with Ajni bridge at the right and a triangular square at the left. Before you reach this square, you have water and irrigation department buildings at the left and fruit sellers at the right, which makes it look safe in the day and little spooky in the night. Then comes the patch from Ajni station to Congress Nagar Square, which is safe, which has Dhanvate National College in the left and hospitals, commercial buildings, bungalows in the right. Then comes the Humpyard Road, where the auto drivers supposedly tried to loot the commuter. This patch of road from Congress Nagar to NMC Zone 4 Square has an interesting neighborhood fabric. This patch in the left is the backside of an affluent community. Even this area belongs to well-off people, but this area belongs to slum dwellers. So if you are a local and traveling late at night in your car, you are safe on this road, but you have to be better careful if you are driving two-wheeler or taking an auto or a cab. Now comes the road patch from NMC Zone 4 Square to Anand Talkage Square. This is the second part of the Humpyard Road, where the auto driver might have stabbed the commuter. Interestingly, Dhantoli police station is just half a mile away from this place. This road is little risky at night because of the following reasons. At the left you can see a Nag Nala, which carries city's wastewater. To the right it is Kumbhar Toli, a slum area, followed by some old buildings operated by government and NGOs which are closed after 6 p.m. One more slum area in the left, followed by old buildings comprising of hotels, commercial buildings and theaters. Altogether, this is the most shittiest patch of road after 10 p.m. Now this patch of road is called Shani Mandir Road, which starts from Anand Talkage Chowk to Manas Chowk. We have the famous Shani Mandir at the right, and the rest of the area is covered by old shops which close after 8 o'clock, making it yet another risky space to travel. This is the last phase of the road, which is called Tekdi Mandir Road, which has the famous Sri Ganesh Mandir Tekdi at the left and all the shanty small eateries at the right. It has MP bus stand at the right, which is in dilapidated state. It is said that the commuter wanted to reach this MP bus stand who got murdered After 8 p.m., this road is also worrisome. So this first route is good before 7 p.m. or in daytime. The second route is from Chhatrapati Square to railway station via Chhatrapati Sabhagrah near Chhatrapati Nagar, followed by a slum area reaching out to FCI road, which continues same as route 1. This slum route is just for locals. It is quite dangerous to take a cab and go through this place. Route 3 is the safest if you are hiring an auto or a cab. From Chhatrapati to Ajni Square, then Rohati Colony Square, and straight up on a flyover which ends at 0 mile. Then you have to go to RBI Square, and from there Kingsway Hospital to Nagpur railway station. The fourth route is same as the third one. Only difference is when you reach 0 mile, you have to reach out to the railway station via Manas Chowk. This is the second safest way to reach out to the station. This route is the most safest and the cheapest way to reach out to Nagpur railway station. Take a metro from airport metro station to 0 mile metro station. Get down and take an auto or a cab to the railway station via Manas Chowk. Hope this video has helped you as an outsider. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you liked it.